We're here in Kohler, Wisconsin at the Blind Horse Restaurant and Winery, bringing UV light protection and an antimicrobial solution, disinfecting and protecting their entire restaurant and winery. We're here to protect their patrons, their employees, and all the surfaces they interact with. To deliver our disinfection and protection, we use our patent-pending process of shock and shield, using UV light to shock the air and surfaces, and shield, the Omni Shield, to protect all the surfaces. The first part of our two-step process, the shock. Using UV light technology, the world's most powerful disinfectant, we bring that UV light technology right into everyday environments, shock the air, shock the surfaces. Shock and shield. The second phase of our shock and shield program is utilizing Omni Shield, an antimicrobial, water-based, food-grade safe molecule that creates a nano layer, a clear level of protection on all of our surfaces. If you're a restaurant, winery, bar, or any business that wants to protect your patrons, your customers, and your employees, go to shockandshield.com and find a local service provider. At Green Up Solutions, we know how important it is now more than ever to ensure we're protecting our employees, our customers, our businesses, our future.